Good morning, everyone. Am I audible for everyone? Okay. Yeah, fine. Okay, so we'll discuss today about the servlets. Basically, hmm, uh, basically, servlets is nothing but a normal Java classes only. Okay. Till now, how we are writing the normal Java classes, similar servlets also normal Java classes only. Okay. If anyone will ask what does it mean by servlet meaning, servlets is nothing but normal Java classes only, which will have the methods like init method, service method, destroy method, which will take the parameters, process the parameters, return the response. This is all about the servlets. Okay. Next, in the servlets, basically we need to aware of while writing the servlet, we need to aware of the core Java. What does it mean by core Java? So which is used to develop the standalone application. Okay, which is used to develop standalone applications. Standalone applications. Standalone applications. Are you guys clear with my point? Servlets, already a definition we have discussed. What does it mean by core Java? Core Java is the very fundamental things, very basic things. There you learn how to, what does it mean by compilation, what does it mean by execution. These are all the things. Core meaning basic things. Fundamental programs is called core. Core meaning very basic things. Very basic things you can say core Java. Core Java. Okay. Basically with the help of core Java, which is used to develop the standalone applications. What does it mean by standalone application? We can access within the system only. We can access within the system. That kind of applications we can say standalone applications. Standalone applications. Next, what does it mean by JDBC? JDBC, Java Database Connectivity. Java Database Connectivity. Java Database Connectivity. So basically, which is used to which will act as a mediator in between web application and database. With the help of this JDBC only, we can communicate our web application to the I would say database. Okay. Next thing, servlets. Why we are using the servlets? Servlets basically which is used to develop mm, develop web applications. Develop web applications. Are you guys clear with my point? So here my question is, what is web application? What is web application? What is web applications? What is web application? What is web application? So basically, before going to web applications, we'll discuss about the types of applications. In the IT industry, we will discuss about the types of applications. The types of applications. So here we have the multiple types. Like first one is the desktop applications, and second one I would say mobile applications, and mobile applications, and the third one web applications, web applications. Okay. Next step, fourth one distributed applications, distributed distributed applications. Next fifth one AI applications, AI applications. Next sixth one IoT applications, IoT applications. And seventh one 2D or 3D gaming applications. 2D, I would say 3D 3D gaming applications. gaming applications. Are you guys clear with my point? These are the applications we have in the IT industry. We'll try to understand one by one. Desktop application meaning desktop native applications. Desktop native applications. For example, we have the hospital, like how many patients are coming into the hospital, how many patients are going from the hospital. We need to track we need to track somewhere. Where will you track? With the help of desktop? We will use we will use MS Word and all. Okay. Desktop native applications is called desktop native applications. You can say desktop applications, like I would say MS Excel, Notepad, MS Paint. These are comes under the desktop native applications. Desktop native applications. The hospital details we can access within the only one system. Within the only one system. MS Excel, MS Paint. These are comes under the desktop native applications. Desktop native applications. Okay. Next one, mobile applications. Mobile applications. So mobile applications basically mobile native applications. I would say we have the calendar. If you open, you have the calendar and some calculator. So these are comes under the mobile applications. Also, also, uh, you know, these applications like Phone Pay, Google Pay, Swiggy, Zomato, these all are under the comes under the mobile applications. You can access with the mobile. Okay, are you guys clear with my point? Next, web applications. Web applications and distributed applications is the very important. So with the help of this one, like in the IT industry, 90% people, 90% people, they will work on the these two applications. They will work on these two applications. Okay. Web applications, like all the meaning all the commercial websites like Flipkart, Amazon, so all the like e-commerce websites comes under the web applications also. Okay. And distributed applications meaning one web application communicate with you another applications. For example, if you want to book the ticket, IRCTC ticket, how will you book? You can book through the phone pay. So whenever you transfer the money, that our phone pay application will communicate with the IRTC application, and then only the ticket will come from. If not, the ticket will cancel. Such kind of distributing, it will communicate it to another application. Such kind of applications you can say distributed applications. Next, AI applications. I would say artificial intelligent applications. Like in we have the Alexa, Siri, whatever you want, Google Assistant. You are simply speaking to that application. Such kind of whatever you want, you simply say to him. It will process that one and it will give the returns response. Okay, such kind of AI applications meaning artificial intelligent applications. Alexa, Hello Siri. These are comes under the AI applications. Next, Internet of Things applications. Internet of Things applications, like we have the traffic signals. After 30 seconds, uh, like a green light will be blink. After 30 seconds, a red light will be blink. So basically, it will be they have written some program under. So such internet, they are will work on the Internet of Things. Traffic signals. Traffic signals is there. Mm. Next, these applications, 2D and 3D gaming applications, where you can majorly you observed in you went some shopping malls. Their children are playing with the bike, riding the bikes, and whenever they are riding the bike, the screen is visible on their front, how much they speed they are going. So they basically they build up with they has with gaming applications, 2D or 3D gaming applications. Okay, these are the applications we have in the IT industry basically. So among those, web application and distributed applications, very important. Okay, now we are discussing about the web applications. Are you guys clear with my point? Now we are discussing about the web applications. First question, what is web application? Hmm. The application which is accessible by the users, which is accessible multiple users at a time, multiple users at a time is called web applications. Are you guys clear with my point? Web application which is accessible multiple users at a time is called web application. Okay, web application. Next step, web application available inside the server. Web application available inside the server. Available inside the server. Then what does it mean by server? What does it mean by server? Yeah, server is the program only. Server is also one program. Okay, which is responsible to take the request, process the request, return the response. Okay, server is the program. Server is a program. Server is a program which is responsible to take the request, process the request, to take the request, process the request, return the response. Return the response. Are you guys clear with my point? So basically, web application which is available inside the server only. Inside the server only. So I will draw the diagram and I will show you where it is available. You might be get some. Use properties. Take. Okay, fine. So I hope my screen is visible for everyone. So here we have the user. Okay, this person is the user. We can send the requests by using the multiple devices. Might be laptop. Uh, we can say might be desktop and might be phone. Anything. Okay. So the request here we have the front end part. This is the front end part, and after the front end part, here we have the back end. Here this is we have the back end. This is the backend part. Okay, backend part means our mission. So if I would say this is our local mission, you can assume this is our local mission. You can assume this is the local mission. Okay, in the local mission, we have the like we will download the server. So always our web applications available inside the server. If I take the this one, what does it mean? This is the server. This name is the server. Server. Inside the server, we will keep our web application. We will keep our web application. This is our web application. This is our web application. Okay. Now, what I'm saying, this one is the web application, web app. Okay. Always this application. This is our web app. This one always should be communicate with the database. So here I would like to take the database here. This is the database. This is the database, and here we have the mediator in between these two. This is the mediator JDBC, JDBC, and this one is the database. This one is the database. Are you guys clear with my point? Whenever the user sends the request, so here we have the UI part, UI part. So basically UI meaning which will provide a interface between the user and user. It will provide one environment. Okay, it will provide. For example, if the user sends the request, it will goes to the UI part, and then it will communicate with our. We have the server. Server will take our requests and process the requests and return the responses. Return the response. Are you guys clear with my point? Server basically our web app. We should keep inside the server. We should keep inside the server. Basically, our web application communicate with the database with the help of database, with the help of JDBC, with the help of JDBC. This is our local mission. Are you guys clear with my point? This is clear, guys. After this, so we'll try to understand web application architecture. Web application architecture. Web application architecture. Web application architecture. Okay. In the web application architecture, basically it consists two factors actually. In web application architecture, in web application architecture, it consists okay. Web application architecture, it consists two parts. It consists two parts. Okay. What are the two parts? First one is the client. Second one is the server. Okay. Now again here we have the question. What does it mean by client? So web application architecture we have the two parts. One is the client, second one is the server. Again we have the question. What does it mean by client? Client meaning client or system. System. System which is used to send the request to the server. Which is used to send the which is used to send the request to send the request to server to access our web application, to access our web application, to access our web application. Are you guys clear with my point? Then what does it mean by server? What does it mean by server? Meaning the same process. Server meaning the same process. Basically, server is a program. Server is a program which is responsible, which is responsible to take the request, to process the request. These are all the things. Are you guys clear with my point? This is clear. Servlets basically, with the help of core Java, we can develop standalone applications. Is there any examples for the standalone applications? Is there any examples for the standalone applications? Hmm? Is there any examples for the standalone applications? Hmm? Google Sheets, calculator. The best example is the calculator. We are doing the mobiles. We are doing the calculations. Calculator comes under the standalone applications. Okay, standalone applications. So with the help of if you write only Java classes, we cannot accessible. We cannot. Nobody cannot access. Nobody cannot access. So basically, servlets is nothing but Java classes only. There is no special there. Basically, servlets is nothing but now normal Java classes. Okay, normal Java classes only. With the help of servlets, which is used to develop the web applications. Which is used to develop the web applications. Okay, this is the purpose. But if they will ask the definition is servlet are the Java classes only, which will have the methods like init method, service method, destroy method, which will take the parameters, process the parameters, and return the response. It's called servlets. Why we are using servlets? If they will ask why we are using the servlets, meaning servlets which is used to develop the web applications. Okay, in the we have basically these are the applications: desktop applications, mobile applications, web applications, distributed applications, AI applications, IoT applications, 3D applications, 2D applications. Okay, desktop meaning desktop native applications. Okay, Excel, Paint, Notepad. These are comes under the desktop applications. Mobile applications meaning mobile native applications. Mobile native applications like calendar, Swiggy, Zomato. So mobile related applications, you can say mobile applications. Next, commercial applications are comes under the web applications. Web applications. The like the complex process, the complex websites are comes under the. We can develop with the complex websites. Complex with the help of Java, we can develop complex websites also. Complex websites like some share markets will be there. No, they are daily. All of them are investing. All of them are withdrawing. So such kind of complex websites we are developed with the Java only. Okay. Next, distributed applications. Distributed application meaning one application will communicate with the another applications. It's called distributed applications. Next, AI applications, internet, artificial intelligence applications like A Siri, Alexa. Most of the ChatGPT also. There are a lot of examples basically. Like some mobile also there. We are, when you are speaking, it will record that one and it will pause and it will return the response. Okay, next IoT of Internet of Things applications. Next, 2D or 3D gaming applications. Next, what does it mean by web application? Web application which is accessible to multiple users at a time is called web applications. Okay. Next, web application available inside the server. Next, server is a program which is responsible to take the response return the response and process the response. Next, web application architecture. In the web application architecture, we have the two parts. One is the client, second one is the server. Second one is the server. Second one is the server. Are you guys clear with my point? Okay, here what my question is, what does it mean by operating system? What does it mean by operating system? What is operating system? Oh yes. Now most of them are using the Windows and we have the Mac, Linux. Then what does it mean by operating system? Uh, hmm? Hmm. 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 So operating system is a mediator in between the computer hardware components and users. Computer hardware components and users. Okay, computer hardware components and user. So in the basically like in the command prompt we have the environment variable. So if you give the path there, then that is, I would say, that is permanent path. So our operating system will understand that. Like these are the softwares got installed in this location. Okay, and so through that only, whenever you give the path in the system environment variables, then we can say that is the permanent path. When you are giving the path on the command prompt, that is the temporary path. Temporary path. Okay. So if you want to give the any path, you should manually give in the environment variables. You should give in the environment variables. Okay. So I will come here. This is the server. Okay. Already you know guys, for developing the UA part, we need to learn the front end topics. Now we are discussing about the servers. So here we most widely used, we have multiple in the market, we have multiple servers. We have multiple servers. For Java, mostly we will use Tomcat server. Tomcat server. We have some parallel also, but we will use Tomcat. The parallel tools are like JBoss, Glassfish, Glassfish. So these are comes under these all are also servers. We will widely use the Tomcat server only. We will widely use Tomcat servers only. We will widely use Tomcat servers only. Are you guys clear with my point? So this is the server, and inside the server we will keep our web application, and so basically this web application will communicate with the database with the help of JDBC. With the help of JDBC. Okay, this is the basic servlets. So with this, anyone have any question? This is the basic part of servlets. So with this, anyone have any question? So next, the Eclipse, we need to download Like you need to check your Eclipse whether it is standalone or applications. For example, if I open my Eclipse, it should be in JEE, Java Enterprise Edition only. But as I observed in the last batches, they has downloaded that those Eclipse is supported for only standalone applications. If you open your IDE, you can the perspective should be some other places. Should just taking some time. Just taking some time. So your Eclipse should be need to change this perspective, Java W. But as I observed in the in the last previous batches, they installed only standalone supported application Eclipse one. Java supported applications only they has downloaded. So if you cross check this one, so we are developing the web applications. So mandatory we need to this option we need Java W. This is the perspective. Hmm? VS Code. Only Java is to the project here. We have the change perspective here. This one, we can pass it like this. Open perspective. There is there or there now. I can say Java. W. There's somebody here only. Yeah. So yeah. So this is the basic things, guys. Here, the going forward in the servlets, like we'll discuss with HTTP methods. What does it does mean by HTTP methods, and HTTP status codes. What does it mean by request, and what does it mean by response? What is the process will happen internally? We'll discuss from the next sessions. You guys, what you will do? Like you can use we can refer some other websites also. What does it mean by servlets? What does it mean by server? What does it mean by request? What does it server? So you will get the basic idea. From next session onwards, I will get then you can easily understand. Okay.